Hey everybody, Rich here, Rich's Custom Marine and Auto. So today we're working on this 2007 Nissan Versa 1.8. We're going to do a serpentine belt replacement. We'll do the best we can here. I already have the belt a little bit loose, and I'll show you what I mean by a little bit. So there you can see it running over the alternator, and then down there is the tensioner. So coming in from the wheel well now, you can see where my wrench is there. It's a 14 millimeter. You put it on there and move it towards the back of the car, and that'll take the tension off the belt. And all I did, because I needed two hands to do it, was I did that, and then you can see where I took the belt off right up there. So so we can go ahead now, kind of work that belt out of there. See if we can slide it off of the alternator here. Then, hopefully, we can get it out of there. Looks like it's hooked on the AC pulley. Alright. So, lay that out, and then the next thing we'll do is we'll compare our new and our old belt and make sure they're the same. This is what I do. Seems pretty darn close. So you guys know what belt we've got here. This came from Napa. So 6PK1205A. Never heard of a Bando brand of belt, but we'll see how it goes. We'll start here. Probably easiest to try and feed this down from the top. It's going to take a little bit of finagling around that air conditioning pulley. And then it'll take a little bit around this suspension mount here. Not a lot of room to work there. So it looks like all we need to do now is pull our tensioner back and slide it up over that other pulley, and we should be good to go. So let me put the camera down real quick and I'll do that, and then we'll have a look. Okay guys, that's got the belt up in there so you can see it goes underneath the AC pulley up over this, which I'm not sure what that is, power steering water pump or something, and then over the tensioner. And then, of course, up top, it's over that alternator pulley. Your car may have a plastic shield here. This car is actually missing that. So if that's the case, there'll be some plastic push rivets that go in here, and then probably a couple on the bottom. And this is not my handiwork. This is how it came to me, so I'll try and do something a little cleaner than that. But pretty easy to pull those fasteners out and get this out of your way. Pulling the wheel off is just 4 simple lug nuts, and you can get that thing done. I think start to finish, even figuring out what size wrench that tensioner takes up there, I think it took me 10 minutes. So pretty simple and straightforward, and something you need to do probably every 5 years or so, unless you've got a lot of miles on your car. You know, if you do a lot of driving or whatever, you probably want to change that belt around, you know, probably 50,000-60,000 miles. So, and they're not that expensive, but you want the convenience of changing it when you choose to, and instead of having that thing break on you when you're trying to get to work or get home or get the kids or whatever else. Let me look here real quick and tell you how much that belt actually is. It looks like it was $43.98 for that belt, so not a big huge cost. So all right, guys, well, that's going to do it for this one, and we appreciate your likes, your follows. Any comments you have or questions, let me have them, and I'll do my best to answer them and get back to you as soon as I see that it pops up. I check them just about every night. So thanks again, guys. Rich here, Rich's Custom Marine and Auto, and we'll catch you in the next one.